So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Lumen, ticker symbol XLM, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, go to the bottom bar and press on the Explore button. Then once you're here, go to the top, press on Search. And then as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol XLM, and then Lumen's right here, press on that. Once you're on the Lumen page, go to the bottom, press on the purple Buy Lumen button. Then type the amount you're looking to buy. So if you wanted to buy, for this example, $20, and proceed, press on the purple arrow on the right hand side. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and check the amounts, the price, the fee, and the total. And if all looks good, to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom and press on the purple Confirm button. Straightforward, very simple. That's how you guys can buy Lumen, ticker symbol XLM, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching. I hope this video helps.